First and foremost, I want to sincerely thank you for choosing to upgrade to this new version of our CRM. We're excited to introduce you to this release, which represents a significant step forward in the evolution of our platform. You'll discover a completely redesigned user interface for an even more intuitive experience, along with new AI-powered features designed to optimize your processes and strengthen your customer relationships. In this video, I invite you to follow a mini tutorial to get acquainted with these new features and make the most of this update. Let's explore together what this new version has to offer. In this new interface, you'll notice that the search area is now positioned at the center of the top bar. This central placement is beneficial because it aligns with the natural flow of your eye movement, making it easier and quicker to find. This design choice ensures that the most frequently used features are right where you need them. The left sidebar can now dynamically expand when you hover over it or be pinned in place using the pin button. This feature is designed to give you the choice between two options: having better visibility on the sidebar when needed, or maximizing the data display area when that's the priority. We have also grouped all the configuration modules into a dedicated section on the side panel. This change ensures that these settings are clearly identified and not mixed with the modules used for daily business management. We have a search for or want to create a new item. Efficy now offers an expanded view that opens in a new tab within your web browser. No more pop-ups. This change helps keep your workplace structured, allowing you to manage tasks without cluttering your screen. We have redesigned the approach to easily let you choose between your lists and those of your colleagues. Right next to it, you'll find the menu to select the view type you prefer: list, Kanban, or dashboard. On the main object page, you'll find the access to your favorite tools and predefined actions on the top right. As you've probably noticed, we have replaced the icons with the actual name of the available objects. The new timeline offers users a comprehensive view of the full history of objects in a much clearer and more organized format. It consolidates all relevant events, interactions, and updates. This allows you to quickly understand the sequence of actions and decisions. The main action button on each screen is now clearly identifiable thanks to its distinctive color that highlights it. This change ensures that the primary action you need to take is immediately visible, making it easier to navigate and reducing the chances of missing important steps. Changing the status of an object or step in a process is done by the dedicated menu. Imagine receiving an email from a client. When you decide to log it in the CRM, the AI will automatically analyze the overall sentiment of the sender. You'll find the analysis result displayed as an indicator. From a contact, by selecting the AI option, Efficy will present you with the retrieved data, allowing you to choose which information you'd like to save to the contact record. It's as simple as that. Thank you for taking the time to explore the new features of your CRM with us. We hope this update enhances your daily work, and helps you achieve even greater success. Your feedback is invaluable, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts with us. Thanks again for your trust, and we'll see you in the next update with more AI Scenario.